Is this not your friend that we are talking about?
Frank? Papa is mad now.
Yes.
What happened to him?
He is the architect of his problem.
Papa, how?
Young lady, after you drink this and you make out with your man on the bed, you will cease to have a womb again, meaning that you can no longer conceive a child. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Baba. Anything for my beloved. Anything for the love of my life. I will, Baba. Anything I can do to take him out from this poverty.
Them say, oh my Baba Plumber wants to become
So
a
be it.
superstar.
Have it.
Ọpẹ́ wa ló do rabata. Nígbà tá ló fi rabata. Nísì wọ́n pè wá ní Baba.
Young lady, as a reminder, when you drink this thing and you make out with your man, you will cease to have a womb. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Baba. Yes, I'm ready.
Drink. Proceed onto the bed.
But Papa, that shouldn't make him to be mad.
Actually, he betrayed her.
What are you doing? Eh? Why are you doing this? This is never what you promised me.
What are you talking about? What did I promise you?
Remember your promise.
Hey, look at me. Listen. What do you expect? That I have all this money and then I will remain barren? You are the barren one. I'm not barren. Do you understand? She here will just come and as you can see, she has a new one. What she will do is just to produce babies and you are still number one. Don't worry. Huh? So
now you have money. You make the money and you remember you want babies. You want to make babies.
Who do you want to spend the money before? Do you like anything? If you want money, don't I give you money? My dear,
please, don't do this.
Hey,
please.
Don't disturb me.
You're hurting me.
And for your own good, play loud music because she's very loud. She used to be very loud in the hotel room.
Baby, please don't do this.
Hey, shut up.
Remember you promised you're not going to get any other woman apart from me.
This is not any other woman. This is a new one.
There was time that I was alone. Nowhere to go and no place to go. My only friend was the man in the moon. And even sometimes he would go away too.
Oh, Papa, is that why he's mad?
Exactly. What actually happened? You know, with the revelation, the young girl came back to undo what I did for them the other time. And I simply told her that there are two choices. It's either for her to reclaim her womb, but that means that he is going to remain mad. And what do you expect her to do? Especially when he has betrayed her already. So she chose her womb.
But Papa, I'm still asking. But I thought what he did is enough for money. Does it require him to be mad?
You don't understand. You are not listening very well. You see, the womb they use for money has been reclaimed back by the lady. You understand? The only thing for that could have saved him from madness is that. So,
yes, okay. So the young lady chose her womb
exactly
over his sanity.
Exactly. Because already he himself has shown not to be very reliable.
You see, my son, Papa,
The advice I will give you in this is that any covenant that you know you cannot keep, please don't go into it, especially with a woman. Are you listening to me?
Yes, Papa.
Hey, please don't go into it. As he is like this, it is irreversible. This is how he's going to die.
Frank!
Let's go.
Papa! So we cannot help him!
Michelle, let's go.
Frank!
Many times I go